Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be an update video on the LAKEHOUSE Fixer Upper. So over the past week or so, we got a little bit done around the house. We did not get done as much as we hoped to get done because we had a bunch of other things that were not related to the renovations that we had to take care of. But we did get the master bathroom painted, so I'm excited to show you guys the color we chose and how great it looks. So Jeff is getting started with painting the master bathroom. He is a pro at painting, so right now he is just going to cut around the room before he goes ahead and rolls the paint on. Now if you guys are new to my channel, that's Jeff, my husband, and my name is Amanda, and this is my channel, Amanda's Daily Dish, where I do a whole bunch of homemaking motivation, cleaning videos, and stuff like that. But we happen to be renovating a lake house right now, so I am putting out update videos on how our renovations are going. So if you happen to like videos like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn your little notification bells on so you guys get notified when I post videos. So while Jeff is upstairs getting started on the master bathroom painting, I'm going to go ahead and clean up this dining area. It has been neglected for a while now, so I just cleaned off the kitchen table and I'm just going to vacuum and mop the floors in here and wipe down the console table over there. Now I am so curious, are any of you guys getting some home projects done while we are all stuck at home? Are you getting any like DIYs or renovations done? I would love to hear about it. Let me know in the comments down below. Alright, so here's what we've been up to this week. Jeff has been painting our master bathroom. It looks like a disaster zone right now because all of my makeup and skincare stuff is all over the place. The vanity usually goes over here, but everything's kind of in the center of the room right now, so that way Jeff can get to the walls. So I did this color. It's like a light gray. I'm gonna find the lid or the paint can. Oh, here it is, just to let you guys know what color it is. So this is a Sherwin-Williams paint color and it is called Silver Point. So it is a really nice neutral gray, like a silvery, so the name of it really goes well. So we replaced that toilet. I think I showed you guys in the last video. This room looks so nice. This paint color looks fantastic with white. So if you've got white trim, it looks so good. I have to take that sticker off the window still. And then the hole that was here that I showed you guys in the last video that we needed to put in the wall to access the plumbing, that's all patched up. You can't even see that it is there, or that it was there, because it's gone now. So that is super nice. So here Jeff is putting on the second coat of paint. I've been downstairs getting the dining room cleaned up and trying to get some dinner ready for the kids. Guys, look what Pacey made.
Thank you, Pacey.
Let's see, Em. Apple crumble. Yummy. Look what's going on in the bedroom. Party. We've got popcorn. Apple crumble. Hey guys, who said you could get popcorn on the ground? Uh-oh.
You did.
You know I don't like food in the bedroom. You guys got to make sure you clean it up. Did you bring Dad his?
Yep. He's getting
Pacey made a treat.
I see that. It smells unbelievable.
Mom. What is it? Oh, sorry, champ. None for you. I'll get you a doggy treat. All this work is going to make for a hungry hubby and of course hungry kids. So tonight I am making meatball subs. So I made homemade meatballs. I just baked them in the oven and now I'm just putting them into a baking dish and I'm just going to fill it with some pre-made tomato sauce that I just got from the grocery store. And then I'm just going to basically turn it into these delicious meatball sandwiches. All right, dinner is over and we are right back at it. We are just gonna put my vanity back in its place here. I guess I should organize my vanity tonight so that I can sit down and wash my face. What? Well, I mean, like, I like to wash my face and put my... I like to use this to take off makeup. And where's my cream? What a mess. The kids are nuts right now.
You're supposed to watch this stream, didn't you?
I forgot about that. That's what's going on over there.
What?
I said, that's what's going on over there.
Oh, Peter's just...
After dinner shenanigans as usual.
Peter's in my book. Peter! I'm joking.
I'd like to know what happened to all the screws I had.
I didn't touch them.
You're Mr. Herbert.
Where were they?
I had them figured over there.
Mr. Herbert.
Like when were
I have these ones. The ones for this one too.
when were they here? Like just now?
Well, no.
Or like a long time ago? I didn't touch it. All right, good news. We ended up finding those screws. Now Jeff is just hanging up a picture in the toilet closet, I guess you would call it. The sun looks so amazing right now outside. It's like cotton candy skies. It's been like that for the past few nights and it just looks so nice and calming in the evenings. Okay, so we did end up finding those screws, so that was good. Now we're just putting the mirrors back up. I was thinking about putting a shiplap backsplash, I don't know if that's what you call it, like backsplashing behind the mirrors there. So we haven't fully decided what we're going to do there yet, but I don't think Jeff will be too happy if he has to take those mirrors down again. Now here's just a little peek for you guys across the bay. I think it looks so gorgeous out here right now. And you can see somebody is having a fire in the distance and it just looks so cozy. I kind of want to get out there right now and enjoy a nice cozy campfire. I guess so. They're from our Disney cruise. That's okay, you can use it. What are we going to save it for?
What?
I said, what are we going to save it for? You might as well use it. I sure hope so. If COVID ever goes away, then we can go on another Disney cruise. Is that lotion?
I don't know.
Well,
wait. Hydrating with body lotion.
Body lotion, you're lucky. I thought it was shampoo or conditioner. Yep, my oil shelf can go back up. La la la.
As much as I want to say something else.
Just sing a song instead. There, that looks nice.
I even painted the screws great.
I want to get one of those little cute succulent plants or whatever you call them. I put them right there.
So much for painting the screws gray.
Yo,
Okay, that's better so.
what's that? Deodorant? Deodorant to my fingers now. Alright, this looks good. Chandon?
That smells like Disney screws.
Does it smell like Disney screws?
No, Pacey said it smells like Disney screws.
Alright, got the picture up here. Look how pretty. Sunset. It matches the walls. It looks nice. Alright. I just love the way that the white towels look against the painted walls. It just goes so well together. So I'm definitely going to have to get a few new white towels. And even the shower curtain has the same gray color in it and it looks really good. Now my vanity is a complete disaster zone, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this organized so I can sit down tonight and after I wash my face, do my nightly facial care routine. I usually like to do that every night before bed.
Like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how you lost.
Now, if you guys are interested in seeing my skincare routine video or something like that, just let me know in the comments down below so I know what kind of videos you guys are interested in seeing. If there are any other ideas of videos that you guys want to see, also let me know in the comments down below because I would love to put out more videos that you guys enjoy watching.
How to carry on.
If you guys want to see the first episode of Lake House Fixer Upper, just go ahead and click the iCard up above. I'll have that link there for you guys if you want to check out that video.
Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind.
Alright, so it has been a long day and I'm not going to get a chance to clean the rest of the bathroom before I head to bed, but at least I got that vanity all done so I can spend a little time getting washed up before bed. Okay, so that's all that we're going to be able to get done in this video. We've been working hard all day. We've been working on the house all week, juggling the kids at home and juggling renovations, and it's kind of a crazy balance because we don't get as much done as we want on the house, but we have to make sure we're hanging out with the kids and doing the things we need to do with them too. So that is okay. We have lots of time because it doesn't look like we're going to be back on our regular schedules for a while anyways. Jeff has started watching a show in there, so I'm gonna wrap it up in here. I have lots more cleaning to do in this bathroom anyways, so hopefully we'll do that tomorrow, but I'm gonna go hang out. Make sure you guys are subscribed. You hit that little notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.